Okay, so let's see how you got on with question 21. So on this graph here, the one that we've been given, y equals f of x. So when we try to draw the graphs of y equals f of x plus 2, that means that the y values are increasing by 2. So basically, each point is going up by 2 units. So when we look at the new graph, this is what it looks like. Notice that the coordinates, the y coordinates of each of the points has increased by 2, but the x coordinates have remained unchanged. Now, when we look at the second part, f of 2x, what we're now doing is we are, instead of changing the values of y, we're changing the values of x. And when we're inside the brackets like this, instead of multiplying the values of x by 2, we're dividing them by 2. So that means that each of the x values that we had on the original graph, -2, 0, and 1, are going to be divided by 2, but the y coordinates are going to remain the same. So this is what the revised graph for f of 2x looks like. So we could describe the first transformation as a translation by the vector 0, 2, because it's going up 2 in the y direction. And for the second one, what we've done is we've multiplied all of the x values by a half. So for the second one, we could say the transformation is a stretch by the scale factor of a half parallel to the x-axis. So we might think we finished, but let's go and read the question again. Sketch the graphs of f of x plus 2 we've done, and f of 2x we've done, indicating the new coordinates of the 3 points, which we've done. We've still got something more to do. Find the value of f minus 2. Well, what does that mean? That means f of f minus 2. Well, let's look at this graph. This is the graph up here of f of x. What is f of minus 2? Well, it's the value of y when x is minus 2. So f of minus 2 is 0. So f of minus 2 is f of 0. So going back up to the graph up here, what is f of 0? That's the value of y when x is 0. So that's 1. So there's confirmation of the final answer. Hopefully you got the same answer as that. If you did, well done. And we'll move on to the next question.